I'm going to show you another activity here in our AutoCAD, a polygon and a circle. Let's have our polygon first. In that properties of a polygon, asking always for the side. So please remember that we can read the command prompt. We will input the number of side first. So let's have the polygon later. Select the point where we set the side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the example of the number of sides. So 5, and then let's try here, inscribe. So yun yung pwede natin gamitin with the example of our polygon. So but first, let's try for our line with a length of 129. And then on the other end of the circle of the line is a circle of radius 30 and a circle of a radius 20 on the other end. And now let's try our polygon using inscribe of a 5 sides. Here on the left, inscribe to the circle given of a radius 50 for polygon. And a polygon again, inscribe to this circle, number of sides is 6. And then that radius is 20. Enter. And then we have to get the offset value of 20 total from the center point. So let's have 10, and then offset from the horizontal distance of 5. And then let's now give our value here of line is trim to this point. So beyond our line, the cutting edge is the circle. So let's trim here is our cutting edge. Let's trim here. This beyond line. So TR is boundary, and then the object to trim is our circle. Then now let's try our line midpoint to this is 35. From the horizontal distance, it's 35, and 35 up to here. So in total of 70, from the center line, again, we will give a value of 35 in between distance. So let's try now. Fillet the sides here. Fillet the sides here and here to that part of our drawing. So to connect that, let's fillet again this to that value. But before we fillet, let's trim this part using our how to trim. So trim the in-between circles here on our line, here on our in-between. Then let's try fillet with a radius of 5. So let's try fillet. Then let's try fillet this line. Then this line use of 10. As we go along, we can fillet the corner of the circle and a line. So that's how you just have to select the line connecting to the circle so that it will not be misconfused. So that's all. So let's try add our linear coordinates or dimension up to here. It is So what you see is what you get. That is 129. And then the radius can be shown here in 30. And now, showing naman here our radius. And then the polygon can be set to a radius also, or make a